Episodes. It's like Netflix. Just restart the whole campaign. Don't do hardline. I was just playing that. If you get shot once, you're like dead. But don't do cadet. That's lame.
Officer?
Yeah, that's normal. Officer's normal. Veteran's kind of hard. Yeah, I should probably.
What is this stuff?
I don't know. It's the sound of the police.
Gaze upon this fine country of ours while you
know what? We should probably use your laptop so we can see
chat. It's
chat.
gonna be your last decent view for a long while. Nicholas Mendoza. Shit. Guy like you's really gotta fuck up to land here with me.
You, might want to secure that weapon, deputy, before one of these gentlemen takes it off you.
I always enjoy seeing dirty cops end up on my bus. It reminds me, the system works. Enjoy the ride, detective.
Yeah, it's everything. He's a killer guy. Miami.
All right, this is the one.
Welcome to Miami.
Ah, shouldn't take very long. What do you say we bag these guys and go grab some lunch?
Yeah, okay. I know a decent Cuban place around the corner.
Cuban? Jesus Christ, Nick, you're in Vice now. I knew it worked better than beans and rice.
Seriously? Beans and rice? Why don't you let me order for you?
Here's an idea. I pick the place. Huh? I promise, you'll never go back to eating plantains ever again.
You ever had Cuban food?
I think you should take the lead this time, all right? Hit with authority, check your corners, find our guy, and we take him down before anyone even thinks about going for their gun.
Yeah, I've done this before.
And not with me, you haven't.
I haven't.
All right, let's roll. Use your big boy voice.
What's my big boy voice? Do I need my big boy pants too? Knock on door.
Police! We're coming in!
Kick open door.
Police!
Nobody fucking
Get
move!
your hands
Nobody
where I can
move!
see them!
Let me see your hands!
Up where I can see
Let
them!
me see your hands!
Move back and away from the
You
table!
just knocked on the wrong door. How about we work this out?
Aim.
How about the light out of my face, yeah? Nick, cuff these guys. Let's get the hell out of here. Shit, man. Come on now.
Okay. Keep those hands on your head and turn around slowly. Slowly. Nice and easy.
Oh, you're making a big mistake.
We're all friends now.
You right.
Okay, spin around. Nothing sudden.
Fucking bullshit. You know it. It's a fucking joke. I'll be out by the morning, cop. You fucking know it.
Yeah? That pile of coke says otherwise.
Fuck you! Oh, shit! It's not a gun! Get down! Down! Cover!
Circle. Shoot Shoot somebody.
Why take it down?
Circle crouches, but like there's not really. I mean, you could crouch behind stuff. There's not like a cover system or anything.
It's just how we want our friend.
Just shoot him. Just shoot. Yeah, just shoot him.
Police! We're coming in! Police!
Nobody fucking
Get
move!
your hands
Nobody
where I can
move!
see them!
Let me see your hands!
Up where I can see
Let
them!
me see your hands!
Move back and away from the
You just
table!
knocked on the wrong door.
What if I go to this
How about the
side?
light out of my face, yeah?
Move! I can't.
Nick, cuff these guys. Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh, wait, let me arrest this guy. I have to arrest this guy first. That's lame.
Okay. Keep those hands on your head and turn around slowly. Slowly. Nice and easy.
You're making a big mistake.
I didn't know.
We're all friends
Two of them
now.
were just tied.
Okay, spin around. Nothing sudden.
Fucking bullshit. You know it. This is a fucking joke. I'll be out by the morning, cop. You fucking know it.
Yeah? The pilot coaxes otherwise.
Fuck you! Oh, shit! It's not a gun! Get down! Down! Cover!
Jesus Christ! That got out of hand fast.
What the fuck was that? You didn't check the door?
Hey, I'm the one making arrests. You're supposed to watch the room.
Yeah. Just check the bodies. We can figure out what the hell they were up to.
Bingo.
Yeah? What we got?
Wallet. ID. Anyone you know?
Nope. Dead end. Yeah, there's nobody left to interrogate.
Hey, I was tired of burgers, so I got Cuban. Anybody hungry?
Hey! Stop right there!
Get after him. Go! Go!
I got him! Stay where you
I'll tell
are!
you. Yeah.
Hands up!
Oh shit. Oh, did he
You're
just
just
jump?
making this work! Stoddard! Downstairs! Now!
Yep.
You have pursuit training, right?
Yeah. Maintain distance. Try not to kill him.
Get all of it. We want him stopped now.
Alright. Oh. Okay. Don't press this one. Just use the other one. Just use the left one.
Turn
So I think the right one.
from Mateo. Intersection clear. Closer.
Stop using the right one. Jesus.
I don't drive very well. Shut up.
Let me go. We can turn the box on.
You have pursuit training, right?
Yeah. Maintain distance. Try not to kill him.
Get all of it. We want him stopped now. We're heading north on Mateo. Requesting backup. Turning left on Crocker from Mateo. Intersection clear. Closer. Come on, floor it! Alright, enough. We gotta take this guy down.
Wait till I get closer! Stoddard, now! Holy shit!
Stay where you are! Got you, you son of a bitch! Ow! Come on! Ow!
You have the right to remain silent. Fuck you, man. Oh, you heard this before, huh?
Oh! I heard all I needed. Can't find the signs. I can taste the blood there. I can taste the light. I can see the sorrow. I can find the light. See the angel of death there. She's slowly counting the time. Come on.
now go live downtown for an exclusive Sky 5 interview with Investigations Captain Jenn&Jooz.
This is an ongoing investigation.
So no comment, Captain?
This is an ongoing investigation. That is my comment. No comment would be no comment.
What the hell is everybody?
Oh, drug war, sir. Saw it on TV. It's like the 80s all over again. In fact, I'm gonna wear a white linen suit with the sleeves pushed up.
With a
What's
big
up,
t-shirt. In the meantime,
GK?
started joint special detail.
Detectives Mendoza Dow, my office.
If you're in trouble,
You two know
and
each
you wonder
other?
why your tummy hurts.
Sort of.
Good.
And you wonder
I'm
why
making you
your tummy
partners. Sit. Mendoza, you recovered several kilos of cocaine today. Congratulations. So tell me, why does coke
The
get
grease.
Maker's mark to prove it came uncut from the source.
That's correct. And your coke had a stamp we haven't seen before. Your catch of the day claims you got it from Tyson Latchford, with whom Detective Dow has had several run-ins. I want you two to bring him in for a little chat.
Sir, Mendoza's last run in the field, no offense, was a total clusterfuck.
You're gonna get along great. Dismissed.
As long as I don't have to drive again.
You're gonna have to drive several times in this game. Oh, right now you don't have to drive.
Okay, good. 'Cause I was just
You know,
like,
for the
let's go.
record, I was following Stoddard's lead in that hotel room.
I'm sure you were. But no excuses, Detective.
It's not an excuse. Just context. So what's the story with Tyson Latchford?
His coke's for the rich and the clueless. Those guys you busted, Tyson's way out of their league. But sometimes he slips freebies to his old hood rat pals.
So let's go find one.
Yep, Final Fantasy Remake.
You're reading my
It's
mind,
all about.
Detective.
Don't, I thought she's about to hit that person. I was like, oh my god.
So hey, watch yourself tonight.
What the hell's
This drug
in
war's
there?
no joke.
Without any belt.
Don't have to tell me. Lost 2 friends in the last 6 months. Patrolmen.
Yeah, I heard
Why
about
you
that.
see it straight?
Sorry.
It's Miami.
Me too.
Miami's gone to shit.
That's what we do, right? Clean up the shit.
Stoddard said that about you.
Said what?
That you loved being a cop.
Hey, your windshield's dirty. Let me get that.
Christ, this guy.
Hey!
All right. Hey. How about, just let me get like $5. Okay? I know. It's just, I'm what you call a cab for this.
Sorry, man. Not when I'm on duty.
Okay. All right, well, officer, you take care of the neighborhood. Be safe, all right? Asshole!
You know, the neighborhood I grew up in isn't too far from here.
Really? Rags to riches, huh?
Let me guess. You're from South Beach.
No way. LA, actually. Orange County.
Oh. So, riches to rags?
Yeah, something like that.
What's this?
Probably a drug bust.
These searches, man. I don't need your consent.
Hey, Guzman, who you got there?
It's our old pal Hugs. Trunk full of that hotshot shit. Down.
Hugs. Where's your friend, Tap?
I don't know where Tap is at. He's looking for Tap.
Yeah, you seen him?
Nah, but it sounds homie Bricks over with Tap's crew over there on 12th Street.
Thanks, Guzman. Appreciate it.
Nice locate, detective.
Damn it! Open up! This is my house! I can stop her from texting me!
So you grew up here, but you weren't born in Miami, though, right?
Nope.
What?
In Havana.
Really? How'd you get out?
With my mother. She's one tough lady.
What about your dad?
Wouldn't know.
So they're like,
Seen him in,
what's
like,
wrong with you?
20 years. Trying to get the fuck away from him.
He's still in Cuba?
If I had to guess, he's probably dead. He'd be fine by me.
Sounds like a real gentleman.
Oh, he was a real something, all right.
Because I didn't have proof of service. I mean, how the hell am I supposed to have proof of service if I don't know what an
Oh my god. I don't know how to type on your.
Hey, slow down.
Okay.
Is there a problem, ma'am?
Lid doesn't fucking fit.
Well, good luck, ma'am.
Fuck you!
You want me to call for backup, Mendoza?
Yeah. CP will probably
Forward to.
send in a SWAT team.
Come on. We roll up on wheels and we spook the whole neighborhood.
This is 13. We're exiting the vehicle.
Copy that, 13. The city blocked off the projects, so there's only one way out.
All it does is piss people off.
The guy we're looking for usually slings around here.
They don't go far.
It's okay, you're not a white person walking around. Look at him go! Look at him go!
Officer, you wanna spot me?
That is funny. I didn't know you could interact with them.
Feel me? Woo.
Where'd you
I assume you know the neighborhood.
Yeah, but I haven't been here in a while. I'll follow your lead.
Damn. You stuffed something in those pants, officer?
Thomas, don't make me check your pockets, because I know what I'll find.
Sure do.
Ruben, put a leash on this guy, and get that in a bag.
Actually, I don't really have a bag. I don't have a bag.
Who's counting to 7?
Go ahead and take a whole hour if you want.
Heads up.
Make a move, man.
There's
Do you have a date or something, man?
Careful, Mendoza. This guy's unpredictable.
It's about time.
You go first. This guy knows me.
I'm telling you, we can do this like we always knew this, and boo this.
Last year, he's a suspect keeper of country, suspect to maintain.
You feel me? You feel me?
Freeze!
What the hell you want?
Miami PD. We got some questions.
Yo, detective, who's this?
He's my new partner, Bricks. We're here to play bad cop, worse cop.
Your friend Tap. Where is he?
Man, fuck you.
Okay, let's jump right to worse cop. Nick, take him down.
Now tell me where Tap is, and we walk away.
Protect and serve my ass, man. He's on the couch tonight, okay?
That's all I needed to hear. Come on, Mendoza.
Man, you can't keep getting away with this shit. I know my rights!
What, we're just gonna leave him there? You sure that's smart?
No, but I'm sure he tried to kill an undercover last year. Fuck him. Come on. Tap's couch is in the Arcola projects. He might not be there for long.
There's a party up in there.
Oh shit, that's Tap's crew up ahead. We don't want them to know we're coming. Follow me.
I feel like we're about to get right up in their face.
Stay back. Come on, this way.
Which way?
You're not gonna tell anyone we're doing this, right, partner?
Doing what, detective?
Attaboy. Okay, come on.
I got it. Go on through.
Thank you kindly. Sorry about that clusterfuck comment, by the way. Sounds like it was a real mess. But you handled it.
What's your read on Stoddard anyway? You weren't partners long.
Stoddard's a bull. And the world's his china shop. Remember, this is Tap's turf. If anyone sees us, they'll tell him we're coming. We need to keep a low profile.
Right. You don't play defense. What you talking about? Playing defense. Just lay it down. You know what you got anyway. You're like a rookie quarterback, sucker. Oh, you know what I get? Man, you don't know shit about what I got. Why you gotta be like that, man? Okay, all right, watch me win this. Don't whine about it, just play. See? That's why that 20 you had in your hand is now my 20. In fact, let's make it 50. You wanna go ahead?
Yeah, when you still... Someone's coming to investigate. Go around there. What are you... No! Oh.
She started running. Where she? Are you gonna go? Oh god, that's a shell casing to pull it into your path.
Touch it.
I am touching.
Touch your finger.
I did! You didn't tell me how to press it.
Nice.
Now what, bro?
Daryl?
Sounded like something fell off the roof.
I like how she can just walk and I had to crouch.
Great. I'll fix it.
Still crouching. Not gonna run. Crouch. All the way.
Tap's just ahead. But there's no way we're getting past these two without taking at least one of them down.
This is the game.
Can you separate them?
Yeah, I got this.
Ever, man. Exactly. Shut up a second. Something's out there.
Our man should be through here.
This guy, Z, with an X, right? Z. He comes over, he takes planet, puts it inside. Like,
Evening, Tap. Don't run, because I will chase you. We're looking for Tyson.
You her new partner? She do that karate for you yet?
I study Krav Maga. Karate's mystical bullshit.
You are a trip.
Tap and Tyson grew up together. White guys who got a taste for the hood. Tap never left.
Stand up. Hands on your head.
Hey, Tyson, Tap, where is he?
A lot of people looking for Tyson. You watch the news, right? Dude's laid low. Life expectancy in the game ain't so good right now.
Yeah, we were hoping you could give us some insight into that.
Above my pay grade, Fidel.
Nick, hook this guy.
Thought you'd never ask.
Oh, swear you cops get off on this shit.
Yeah, at first. And you just get bored. Tab. I am shocked, buddy.
Yeah, I got a subscription for that.
Subscription.
I know you got warrants. I know you keep your coke around the corner under the dumpster. I know little man who just ran off is probably moving it right now. And seriously, that kid is way too young to be doing this shit. So yeah, we have to take you in for possession. We will.
What do you want me to do?
I think you can pause it.
Your earpiece fits?
I don't even know how Jen can sit with this blanket on her. Did she just... Did you guys hear her pee? Yes.
What are you laughing at?
Did you take that to pee?
No, I didn't.
Okay. I was like, I realized it was gone, and I was like, did you guys just hear her pee?
No. Plus, I was on mute the entire time.
Oh, okay.
Even sitting here, so.
Was it on mute? I thought I unmuted it.
Yeah, it's on mute. Your wire?
It was upside down when I was looking at it.
Say something.
Say something.
Benedict Arnold.
Hey, knucklehead. You're not Benedict Arnold, and this isn't snitch work. Walk in, verify Tyson's there, and leave.
Sounds easy. Why don't you come down here and do it?
Nick, find tap with your scanner.
Is that him?
Mm-mm. Gotta analyze the people.
How do you analyze? Oh. Ha ha ha. Is he
Your scanner's
dancing?
connected to every local and federal database. Brave new world.
Man, look at that piece of shit.
Follow him with your scanner to make sure he doesn't blow this.
Where did he go? There he is.
Yo, man, looking for Tyson. Tyson? That shit ain't easy, dog. Come on, man, just help a brother out. Come on, man, just go home. I need to see Tyson. Relax. Get your shit under control, brother.
Brother.
Just go. Just live.
Is he bucking?
And we're in. Come on, Tap, lead us to Tyson.
I don't recognize any of these guys.
Just keep on that scanner. Figure out who we're looking at here. That thing's equipped with a digital shotgun mic. Scan around and listen in.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, baby. He tapped the backboard. He tapped the back. Yo, Fidel. Shit feels real tense in here.
Is Tyson around or not?
Yeah, we're about to chat.
Copy that.
I can't see that person.
Get the fuck out of here. Going to somebody else's hood, my fuck.
Tyson's through there. You got 5 minutes.
All I need.
Tap? What are you doing here?
That's Tyson. Scan him.
Just wondering.
We need proof he was here.
Shit. There's no line of sight to Tyson.
I'm just doing what I'm doing.
Maybe he'll move.
Don't go around asking for me. Shit isn't safe right now. Tyson, just one more. Please.
Just have a seat. I'll see what I can do, all right?
No problemo. No problem at all.
Can I just move to the left?
I didn't even know. There's someone coming.
Shit, what's that?
Wait a sec. Who the hell is this?
No idea. What do you want to do here?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta turn that shit around, man.
Scan as many of those guys as you can.
Oh, shit. They're after Tyson.
Come on, we gotta get to him now. CP, this is 13. We've got gunshots. We're engaging.
Remember the guy with the
Gunshots reported at 3rd and 33rd.
person thing?
All units
He's
be
got a
advised.
warrant.
Why did I can't hear you?
Arrest the guy with the person thingy icon.
Where'd she go?
Nick, door's open. Come on.
Coming.
I got you covered. Arrest these guys.
It won't let me.
Tell these guys to freeze.
Freeze! The guy's shooting up the place. Who are they?
I don't know. I think it's the same.
Did she just like let that guy go?
Guy!
Oh.
Got your back, Nick.
Can I pick this up?
Mm-hmm.
Do I want to pick this up? Is this better than what I had? I don't know what the difference is.
You want to pick up new guns. You can pick up your old gun after if you want, but to unlock guns in this game, you have to find them. So you have to pick them up just to get new guns.
I think I know that guy. Scan him and see if he's got warrants.
Chessie.
What are you doing?
Suspect spotted in your vicinity,
I
13.
knew it. Get him in cuffs. It'll look good for us.
You were right. That snitch Tap led us right to him. Yeah, we got him all. Checking for Tyson's body now.
It won't let me. I
Back up a little bit. Oh my god.
Nice, Mendoza.
CP, send a pickup.
Okay, so there's two, and I gotta hide. Do I have to hide to get over there? Oh, there's one over there, and there's a bug. I'm gonna get this guy over here.
This laptop is burning up my crotch.
Sorry. Don't turn around.
Arrest him.
It wouldn't let me.
You gotta press L1 before you go there.
Can I go this way?
Anytime it pops up L1 or there's a shield above them, you can arrest them, or at least flash your badge.
Can I go get these guys outside first?
You can do it however you want.
Where's this guy? Is he upstairs or something?
Yeah,
Shit,
probably.
they're right there.
Should they come inside?
You're stressed out. You look like shit.
Shit, yeah. Stressed out. Fuck's getting on this job. You're out here.
Bro, that guy's looking at me.
You told me you were gonna go on the meds. They don't work. I don't know why. I feel like I deserve to know. Okay.
Did I just make all of them go this way?
Like I was just yelling at everyone.
Put your hands up. Don't move.
There you go.
Oh shit, there's another one coming. No, 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 no.
Hands up. Now.
Nice.
Get back, go, go!
I keep feeling like there's somebody in my vicinity that's gonna see me. But I think they're upstairs. Okay, that guy's right. Okay. This person, I'm assuming, is upstairs too.
Yeah, there's people that's upstairs.
Police! Stop!
Yeah, I keep feeling there's somebody there, but they're not. Okay, I'm following her. I'm not standing up because I'm like...
We're clear. Let's head upstairs.
Paranoid play style.
Well, Reese. Okay.
Hands up.
Can I go through here? Shit! There's like 3 of them.
Search the lockers, search the desks, peek through everything.
Hands up.
Anyone who finds that motherfucking Snake Tyson's body gets $500.
And use the shell a lot more than I did.
I want him to walk that way so that I can get him.
Which is good.
Walk.
Police, freeze.
Oh shit. Is he coming back this way or is he just looking this way?
I think he's just looking. He's not anywhere near the door. Are you kneading my leg? You can freeze, yeah, you can freeze him right now. As long as it says that, they'll do
Right
it.
there.
Chelsea, you're like on my... Okay, so I need to go over here. Everybody's sleeping. Is this where I need to go?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Anytime it vibrates, you want to look around for evidence. So there's 3 evidence things you have to find. You don't necessarily have to find them all, but finding them all unlocks the story.
Tyson's too organized for his own good.
You have no idea. That's a start. Hey, can you scan this room for evidence?
What the fuck am I running over? Here's a gun.
That's if you want to like change your weapons.
Can you stop pushing me? Tactical gear?
Yeah, you can change what you're carrying and stuff. That's when you unlock guns or pick new guns up, you can switch them out here.
Can I open the fridge?
Nice work. Remember, if that thing buzzes, it means you're near evidence.
I think I covered the whole room.
Yeah, you.
Something in here.
Because it'll say the distance to is how close you are to new evidence.
Yeah.
Nick, check this out.
Did you find Tyson? Guy, look at this. Tyson was never here. It was a video chat.
Shit. Can we reconnect?
Skype.
Oh, fuck. You cops led them right there. Didn't you?
Sorry, but you're the asshole they were trying to kill.
Hello, Tyson.
Oh, hell. This just got worse.
Hey, your friend Tap took off. I think all your guys are dead.
Fuck! Look. These aren't my guys, okay? Occasionally I throw product their way.
Who's trying to kill you, Tyson?
Yeah, that's not something you're typically told ahead of time.
Tell us where you are. We can protect you.
Sorry, but I doubt that.
Damn it. Now what?
Tyson's dead if we don't get to him first. CP, this is 13. We need a trace route on an outgoing IP connection.
13 trace in progress. And we're connected. Give us a few minutes, 13.
Copy that. Let's go. They're gonna need more than a few minutes.
There's
so
a party
we know what
going
Tyson
on.
was up to. But we have no idea where he is.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The fuck did she come or he come from?
Shit. Mendoza, we gotta get out of here.
You think?
Do I just run with him? With her?
You can.
Okay. Woo!
Anybody see those 2 cops?
Yeah, you can go up to them and, well,
They just
they
separated.
just split up.
Police, you're under arrest.
So maybe you do a job and clean it up yourself. In those cases, you make sure you negotiate for something extra. Whatever you're wearing is gonna be ruined, so wear old clothes. Don't think twice about chucking.
Do dudes really shit themselves when they get killed?
Oh yeah, everyone. But look, you maybe do a job, and it's a mess, and it's loud.
You see
Oh
that?
shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, 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 shit.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Officers receiving
Ah shit!
All units, 13 report shots fired at their location.
Hey, hey, hey! Over there!
Can I like duck around a corner?
If you get close to the wall, when you aim, sometimes it'll let you peek over.
I shoot you in the crotch. What am I shooting? Damn.
Get this guy!
Did I have ammo? I don't want that. Please, thank you. Did we park that close, honestly?
Hurry, get in!
Do I really have to drive?
Got a location from that IP.
Thanks, CP. Send me the info.
Your friend Tyson has no idea what's heading his way.
I'll send a ground unit to the location.
Yeah, then we grab him and get out.
Get out of here! We don't want to ring the bad guy dinner bell!
Copy that.
Give it the boot, Mendoza.
Give it in the boot. Hiya,
You
whoa.
don't need a warrant for that.
Play nice, boys.
Something tells me you've got your
Ow!
memorized.
What are you
We're not here
doing?
to arrest you.
What
You
was
need to go
that?
now.
She didn't like you.
That was out of nowhere.
Hey, how about you tell us what the hell's going on, huh?
You know how I spend my day? Spreadsheets. I haven't been a street guy in a long time. Lately, everybody's fighting everybody. If there's a wrong side, I seem to be on it. That's all I know.
Look, can we talk about this somewhere? Oh, shit! I'm hit.
Whoa.
How bad is it?
Jesus.
God.
Okay. I'm putting pressure on it, all right?
Oh, God damn it!
I know.
Fuck.
I know. Just hang in there.
That's a hold on fly pressure and shoot people.
I believe so.
Dick.
I'm not leaving you. Fuck off!
Ah, shit. What am I supposed to be shooting at? Oh, that guy.
Damn it!
I can't aim with this shit. Don't die. Don't die.
Kai!
Ow.
Kai, look at
Sir.
me! Kai, stay with me!
She's also gonna go shooting a gun close to her.
Shit! Kai! Kai! Kai!
Good lord.
Christ! Kai, hang on!
Can I grab her and go?
No, I think you just
Oh,
got.
that's my guy. No, that's not my guy. It won't let me shoot. Well, that was hard.
I think you can still aim if you hold
How?
L2.
I had to like hold her and it wouldn't let me do any of that. Do I have to push? I just go like that.
Try not doing that. I don't. You might not have to do that.
I'm putting pressure on it, all right?
Maybe. I don't know.
Damn it!
I know. I know. Just hang in there.
Yeah, okay. I just have to hold it like this.
Dick.
I'm not leaving you. Fuck off!
Okay, I can't aim. Kind of.
You're killing them pretty good.
It's like a magnum or something. I don't know what it is.
A revolver.
Kai! Kai, look at me! Kai, stay with me!
Apply the pressure.
Kai! Kai! Kai!
Christ! Hi, hang on!
Okay.
Shot him in the booty.
I missed.
Hey, we're cops! We're cops! She's hit!
I think you hit an artery.
We're lucky you didn't bleed to death.
Hands up! Now!
Good evening to you, too.
Detective, do you know this man?
Oh. Him? He does spreadsheets.
He looks familiar.
Yeah. Well, he looks like a typical CSI villain.
Alright, I gotta go get Harrison up. Wanna come with? Because Ryan doesn't want to.
Sure.
How do I save? Does it automatically save?
Maybe back. I don't know. Later.
Next time on Hardline.
I had everything on a platter. You fucked it up.
Are we gonna have a problem?
What the hell just happened?
Are we going to have a problem? No.